guys, this is Alan from Let's Say Financial. How are you today? So for today, I'm just gonna show you how you actually gonna trade in a live market because in live trading, the price is changing all the time, and then you do actually will experience sometimes a trend market change into a range market, or a range market change into a trend market. So for today, I just gonna show you how will you what you're gonna do when you encounter this kind of cases when the trend changes. So for the first strategy that I'm gonna use, because when I take a look at the market today, it was in a range market overall. So the first strategy that I'm gonna use is gonna be the range market trading strategy, which is the Bollinger Bands with the MACD. So if the market changes, then I will change my strategy later. So I will explain it to you while I trade later. So first, let's set up the first strategy that I'm gonna use. So go to technical indicator. So yeah, just that button right there. So click on it. Okay, so we'll select the Bollinger Bands. So tick on Bollinger Bands, and then we'll open the drop down for Bollinger Bands. Okay, so yep, open the drop down. So now we'll just need to deselect all the lines on the left and then keep the one on the right. And for the parameter for Bollinger Band is on default. So next we'll go to oscillator. So tick on oscillator, and then we'll select the MACD. Tick on MACD. And we'll open the drop down for MACD as well. So now the parameter for MACD is 5, 35, and 5. So again, EMA1 is 5, EMA2 is 35, and signal is 5. So now all the indicators are set. We can now close the window. So for today, I will be using a 10 seconds chart to trade with 30 seconds option. So again, chart period is 10 seconds, option period is 30 seconds. So now we are all good to go, and we will just take a look at the market movement first, and then pick a currency pairs that I want to trade with. So let's take a look. Okay, so now we see that the market is in a range market, pretty clear here. So if we have a line on the bottom and below the candlestick, we can see that the price is now moving within the particular range, and now we can identify the market is in the range market, and then which is suitable for this strategy. So now we see that the candlestick is actually touching the upper band, and all we're waiting for here is for the MACD to cross over, and it gives me a purple histogram. And then if I see that signal, I will open a trade right away. But now you see the price here, I see a lot of doji, which is the lines, and then with a combination of the long body candlestick. So the price is not stable, but I will still give it a try. I will take the risk. I would give it a try, but then if you see this kind of market to trade or not is actually up to you. So let me open the trade. So now you see the MACD crossover and gives me a purple histogram. That's why I opened my trade there. So again, to trade at this kind of market or not is really depending on you. If you are willing to take the risk, then you can always trade in this kind of market. But if you are not, then you can try to change it to a longer period time frame to have a more stable movement. Okay, so now the trade is finished. I will browse on different currency pairs here, and then just to look for another ideal price movement, because the one just now is not stable. Okay, so another one here. So let's take a look at a few more. Okay, so this one, whether some of you might say it's not in a range market, but then for me, if I put two lines here, then the price is moving within the range. So I would like to give it a try. So I believe it is in a range market. So I will give it a try. Still use the range market trading strategy. So well, now the candlestick is touching the lower band, and then all I'm waiting for here is for the MACD to cross over, and then this give me a green histogram, and then if that happens, I will open my trade. So well, now the downward movement is pretty strong, so well, I still gonna give it a try and see how it ends. So okay, so well, it's about to cross over, and yep, there is a green histogram, and then I opened my trade there. So well, after this trade, I actually changed my strategy to a trend market trading strategy, because now I see that the price is actually start to develop into a trend market. So that's the moment when you need to change your strategy, when you see a potential price reversal or a trend is about to form. So okay, so well, yep, exactly as I expected. So the trend was ended, the range market was ended, and then that's why my trade was ended in draw, because the price is no longer in a range market. So now I would try to look for a bit more, and then if I confirm that the market is not in range market anymore, then I will change my strategy to a trend following strategy. So yep. Okay, so I'm still okay. So I will change my strategy. So I will go to technical indicator. So click go to technical indicator, and then I will deselect the Bollinger Bands. And then for the change trend following strategy, I will actually use the GMMA. So put a tick on GMMA. Okay, so now we're all down. That's pretty quick to change the strategy. So well, again, so when you enter the market, before you enter the market, you should have a few strategy in mind. So you should actually pick a range market trading strategy, and then another strategy for backup for a trend following strategy. So for today, in my mind, I decided to use the Bollinger Bands and MACD as the range market trading strategy, and then I have a trend following strategy as the backup, which is the GMMA with MACD. So so by doing that, I can be quite flexible. So if the range market ends, then I will change into a trend following strategy. And then if the trend ends and move into a range market, then I will use a range market trading strategy, and so on and so forth. So you just need to change your strategy by depending on the market situation. You don't just use the same strategy for the whole day. So okay, so well, now I see that the red lines are below. Yep, the red lines are below the blue lines, and it's now compressing. So all I'm waiting for here is for it to expand, and then if the MACD crossover and gives me a purple histogram, and now I will trade. So okay, so again, so now it's in a trend market. So the red line was compressing, it was started to expand, and then the MACD crossover and gives me a purple histogram. So that's a double bearish indication. That's why I opened my trade there, and now, yep, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get this one here. Okay, so well, okay, so yep, the trade is finished and it's ended in profit. So well, let's take a look at the history. Okay, so yep, trade history. Okay, so well, I made 3 trades today, and 2 of them were ending in profit. So the profit for today is $140. So well, again, try to have 2 strategies in your mind before you get into the market. One is gonna be a range market trading strategy, and the other one is gonna be a trend market trading strategy. And then you're gonna change the you're gonna switch these 2 strategies depending on the market conditions. So try to be flexible, and then that is actually gonna help you to make more profits in binary option trading. So well, if you do have any question in regards to what strategies you should use, or any suggestion that you want from me, leave me a comment down there, then I can get back to you with an answer. So okay, so well, that's pretty much it for today. If you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video. And I will see you soon again tomorrow. Okay, bye.